How to start real estate business with no money or less money? You heard it right. Hi dear friends, I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and entrepreneur. And before watching this video, do hit on subscribe button and hit on bell icon. We don't want you to miss value added and practical videos like this. So first way through which you can make money into the real estate business with no investment, that is you can start as a real estate agent. You heard it right. You can become a real estate agent. You can help builders and developers in selling their inventory, or you can help a marketing agency in selling their inventory as well, or you can help buyers and seller in buying and selling in the business of reselling or repurchasing. If you perform this role with the right skill, with the right knowledge, then you can earn a lot of money with almost no or zero investment. A very less investment is required to start this business, or almost no investment is required. The real thing what is being required is the knowledge and the skill. The second role through which you can start a real estate business, or second role you can play in the real estate industry, through which you can make a good amount of money with less or no investment, is you can start as a real estate rental agent. You heard it right. A rental agent is a person who helps two buyers, or who helps someone who want a property on rent. So he meet with landlords, those who have properties, and he help those people, those who want property on rent, in procuring that property. Instead of that, he charges a commission. In the first example what I have given as a real estate agent also earns brokerage or commission, but a real estate agent earns brokerage or commission on the value of the property deal. For example, if he has sold a 2 BHK flat worth 50 lakhs, he can charge 1% or 2% or 3% brokerage based on the pre-decided terms and conditions. But in case of real estate agent, the earning is based on the rental deal. For suppose, if a real estate rental agent have helped a student in getting a 2 BHK flat at 20,000 rupees, so he can charge a 15 days, 1 month or a 2 month rent from a student, and he can charge a 1 month rent to a landlord as well. Based on city to city, state to state, it differs, but this is an average what I am telling you. If you watch the video till point number 2, don't forget to hit on subscribe button and bell icon. Most of the people come to our channel, watch our videos, but they sometimes forgot to subscribe. Hitting on subscribe button will help you a lot in future, so you get proper value added problem solving videos, proper notification on time. The third way of starting a real estate business with less money or no investment is you can start as a real estate loan consultant. What is the role of loan consultant? A loan consultant is someone who is working with a nationalized or a private sector bank or an NBFC, and he's helping the real estate clients, those who already bought property, in their loan process. So in taking loan as a consultant, so he can be a DSA, he can be a connector, or he can be a project management consultant, anyone, a loan consultant. In that case, you can earn money from bank. So if you give a loan, for example, a client have bought a 60 lakh worth of a flat and he requires 50 lakh loan. In that case, on doing that loan of 50 lakhs, you can earn 0.4, 0.6, 0.7 based on what kind of tie-up you have with the bank, or 0.25 as a connector. So this is also a way through which you can get associated with the real estate business with almost no money or very less investment. Point number 4, through which you can start your business into the real estate industry with less or no money, is you can start as a real estate digital marketer. I'm not talking about digital marketing agency, I'm talking about real estate digital marketer. So digital marketer who is generating lead only for real estate agent, broker, channel partner, builders and developers, and helping the agent, broker, channel partner in procuring good quality of the lead, and you can charge them on a monthly basis for your services, through which you can enter into the real estate business with less or almost no investment. This is also a fourth side through which you can make a good amount of money. Point number 5, you can start as a real estate visualizer. What is a real estate visualizer? He is an owner of a company where you are giving services to especially builders and developers of 3D services, making 3D images for project promotion, making walkthroughs, making project promotion videos. In that case, you can help the company in putting their image in front of people in a good projected way. A walkthrough can help people to know that how this township is coming, or after 3 years how this township will look like with amenities. All this kind of things will be made by a visualizer. So you can start as a freelancer visualizer, or you can start your own visualizing or 3D video making company or 3D structure making company. So there are different services which comes under visualizers. Point number 6, you can start as a small real estate marketing agency with the help of 3-4 people, and by having a small office as well with almost zero or no investment. You can start as a small marketing agency owner, and you can give services to builders and developers. That we have 3-4 team members. Along with that, we have channel partners and agents, those who are working with us, and we want to promote your project on a sole basis. So this is also a business which requires very less investment. If you want to start a marketing agency at a bigger level, in that case you need more investment. If you have watched all the point till point number 6, and if you are not aware about certain role into the real estate industry, that how you can start a business with no or almost low money, do comment below which role you are not knowing or which profession you are not aware about. So these are 6 different ways through which you can start a real estate business with less or almost no investment. If you want to learn more about the real estate industry, you can contact on our boardline number. If you want to become an ultra successful agent, broker, channel partner, you can fill a form which is given in the description for Real Estate Game Changers Launchpad, and you can join our advanced course on the real estate industry. If you are a builder or developer and if you want to learn about real estate industry more, you can fill a form in the description about RGC CEO coaching, where if our team selects you based on certain question, research based question, then you can have a one-to-one coaching or clarity or strategy call with me on one-to-one basis. That is, now for that call we normally charge 50,000, but if our team selects you, that call would be free of cost for you. In that call, we'll analyze your business, we'll have one-to-one discussion, then we'll plan for a further coaching or training. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for making our book Real Estate Game Changer National Bestseller book. Thank you so much for liking our videos, and thank you so much for making our channel Real Estate University one of a growing channel into the real estate business. We'll meet you in the next video.